Yeah, so thanks for being here. This is the open session part of this PCL Hackfest event. We're going to have like a live streaming for people that couldn't make it to Munich. For those of you that are here, thanks for being here. Thanks for being there. So the program that we have for today is sketched over there on the whiteboard. So we're going to have two sponsors of the event, Genius Software and Fyuse, that are going to also talk about their involvement with PCL and a brief introduction about the company. And then we're going to have like 3 presentations that are related to how PCL has been used by core developers so far in their activities. And we're going to have a nice coffee break with all of the food. So enjoy, and let's start with Steven and Alex.
Round of applause.
Yeah, so how do we want to... So should we be standing to the side so we can talk into the microphone?
Yeah, just talk around this area so people can hear it better.
And I shouldn't include the camera.
No, it's okay, it's okay. I'll worry about the camera, you guys worry about that. Yeah, that's not the good. Beamer is up.
To activate the device somehow. I plugged into it, but
There's the remote is over there, so it should be the purple. Pardon?
about the lights.
Light switch, I guess, are over there.
Looks like there's some activity, so
Let's try those ones. Let's see. I would say so. Okay.
And this is going to feature the
yeah, that's my best. This is a very low res. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Alright,
so let's start off.
Let me see if I can get a better shot. Yes.
Actually, maybe we'll just start with the demo, I guess, just to get a sense for that.
Okay, we're okay with the slides over there. We have a good camera for it, so.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, okay, good. Cool. Alright, so.
Okay, guys.
Alright, so hi guys, we're from Fyusion. We're one of the sponsors for this event. I guess we can start with a quick demo of the app to give you a sense for what we're about.
So this is our memorial to the men who couldn't be here today.
And I should turn on my cell data, so I'm going to do that real quick. So that we can actually see this. Sorry.
No passwords.
Yeah, no, just... Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, great. Okay, so Fyuse is an app for taking, we call them spatial photos. Stephen, I don't know if you want to explain more about what you're seeing.
Yeah, so the basic idea behind this was to use the kind of algorithms that we've worked with as PCL developers and roboticists that power 3D to show things to a user that's more like, it's like a photo you can move around in. So the idea is to use 3D to power something that is artifact free and lets you look around in different directions.
Yeah, plus, of course, you can augment this with additional info such as 3D text. Yay.
Yeah.
You can just position it however you like, you know, even 3D. Yeah. You know, stickers, of course. Also in 3D.
All the things the kids want.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. And of course.
So basically the image format, because it has spatial data, it allows you to do some kind of cool things that a flat photo you wouldn't be able to do, at least not on the device. So everything we do here is just happening in real time on the cell phone in a second or two.
Okay. Cool. So yeah, that's a brief demo of the app. I guess we can continue with slides. We'll skip through these quickly since we just showed you the app, but there's also a social network built in, so you can share these with your friends, guides to teach you how to take these with your cell phone, galleries for sharing them and storing things in the cloud, ways to interact with other users like messaging, tagging, which is similar to the 3D text and stickers you just saw. These. That way you can annotate your fuses with additional information, and it tracks nicely with the models. We're also interested in doing things like smooth interpolation or 360-degree representations of objects. So it's just a fun culture's car.
We like to keep them in the family.
Yeah. Okay. And some of the other things we've been working on lately, you know.
Yeah, so adding 3D elements into the scene, having good host background.
Okay. Alright, so that's a brief overview of kind of what we've been up to in the app.
Yeah, and so the big question is why are we doing this? And I think the basic idea is we all came from this, research robotics background where we've been working with point clouds and meshes and 3D data. But one issue is when you try to bring things to consumers, a lot of times their bar for quality is much different than the research bar for quality. So like, I can be blown away by a Connect Fusion mesh of a thing, but when I show it to my mom immediately just sees whatever is jagged or whatever is flat or gray. So the idea that we're doing at Fyusion is try to improve photography using computer vision techniques. And so the goal here, what you're optimizing for, is basically the most aesthetically pleasing result instead of metric accuracy. You try to get both when you can, but pretty much the goal is how can you use these research tools to make something that users enjoy the look and feel of.
So you might say that it's strange for us to move from research to making this kind of app, but it really is an interesting thing to work on because this gives us a platform to test algorithms at scale in the real world. Like we've got, I can't tell you how many users, but many users out in the world.
Many millions of people.
Yeah. Every day, running the algorithms that we deploy on the phone. It's also a platform for data collection, right? Like people upload these to the social network and share it, so we have a lot of data to work with for whatever we might want to do with that. And as far as we know, it's the largest multi-view data set that exists. So you might ask, what does it have to do with PCL? We can't talk too much about the internals of the algorithms that we're using here, but a lot of us came from the PCL community, and we're still interested in open source. And that's also been a powerful recruiting tool, I would say, for us. And that I think everyone we hired on the research group has done some open source contributions in the past. And shameless plug, if you guys are anyone's interested or looking for full-time manned interns for computer vision, 3D perception, machine learning, software engineering, anything else.
We'll be around.
Yeah. Cool.
I think we got.
That's what we got. So thanks.
schedule. Already.
It's okay. It's
I
okay.
hope that Zoltan has a much longer
Yeah, because
presentation.
they also forgot to mention that few like those features that has in micro or yeah, they didn't drive off.
Yeah, we tried not to.
Okay, so
We
for
may have
those,
made these slides last night at the bar.
Alright, thanks a lot, guys.
it's a lot.